All right, here we go. Welcome back to Franchise Friday. Today I'm going to try out Popeyes Blackened Chicken Sandwich versus the old dependable Chick-fil-A Spicy Chicken Sandwich. Stay tuned. Ain't nobody in line over here. I'm scared, Popeyes. I am scared. Chick-fil-A line was crazy. Still waiting for the order. They got me, posted up to the side. It's going on about 5 to 6 minutes now, waiting for the order. Was nobody in line. Man. All right. Wait about 9 minutes. I got the old dependable Chick-fil-A spicy chicken #2 with pepper jack cheese. And I'm going to compare it to Popeyes Blackened Chicken Sandwich. For anyone that's been wondering, why is it called Blackened Chicken Sandwich? All it means is it's seasoned a little bit more. It got some thyme in there, some paprika, some onion powder. The Blackened Chicken Sandwich. This is spicy version. Let's do the reveal. Let's see how it is, Popeyes. Okay. Why does it? What's this? What's the point of this? But all right, here it is. Straight to the point. This is the blackened. It looks good. Looks respectable. I guess that's the seasoning, the sauce they put on here. The actual chicken itself looks good. I ain't gonna lie. We got crispy pickles right here. The sauce, it's all sauced up, as y'all can see. We got sauce on the bottom and on the top. Let's try this out. Popeyes Blackened Chicken Sandwich versus Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich. Let's do this. This is going to be the bite right here. Let's go. Okay, Popeyes. Okay, Popeyes. I see what you did. Hold on. Sorry. I was kind of mad at first, right? Because of the weight. But this is a pretty good chicken sandwich. Pretty good chicken sandwich. Cajun fries. That was pretty good. Try out the old dependable Chick-fil-A. I've had this 100 times. So always reliable Chick-fil-A. Cheese melted, that's a good sign. No sauce on the top. We got 2 slices of pickles. We got the chicken. I already know how this is gonna taste. Chick-fil-A is no sauce. Oh my God, this is like one of the toughest comparisons ever. Because of the sauce in the Popeye sandwich, I'd say that's a little bit more on the savory side, like a little bit more salty. I can taste the spiciness more on the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. I like the cheese better. There's no cheese on here, I've noticed. No cheese on there. Do it like that. They're both delicious. I'm looking so greedy in the car right now. I do want to apologize. Like, I haven't done a Franchise Friday in a couple weeks. I've been busy, man. The holidays are so busy. But if y'all see a Franchise Friday posted, that's a bonus episode for the week. But I definitely wanted to get to this one. This is so good. Hold on. That was the bite with the pickle. Which one am I picking? I don't know. As you can see, the Chick-fil-A's patty, the chicken itself is a little bit more thick. The Popeyes one, a little bit more thin, but I guess all it depends on, you know, how the chicken is cooked. I'm greedy. Are you greedy like this? If you like Saucy, if you like Popeyes like flavor, I definitely can taste the blackened. It's definitely blackened. It's a little bit more savory than a Chick-fil-A. I don't know. I'm at a loss for words. I honestly don't know which one to pick. But they definitely live up to the hype of blackened chicken sandwich. That is super savory, super saucy. But sometimes with Popeyes, you gotta deal with their customer service. It isn't the best. Chick-fil-A, sometimes I go to Chick-fil-A all for their customer service because it's so good. Like one time I asked Chick-fil-A for barbecue sauce. They asked me for how many. True story. I think I was in Virginia. I forgot where I was at. I was out of state. I had like 5% on my phone. And I was talking to one of my buddies. Chick-fil-A employee said, well, we can throw that on the charger for you while you eat your food. Yo, I swear to God. Oh my God, I don't know which one to pick. This one is a tie. This one is a tie. When it comes to like fast food chain chicken sandwiches, these are really good. This is the old dependable top dog right here. This is the new kid on the block, but with like an old soul. Just because it's Popeyes. Popeyes, you know, they know how to do chicken. This to me is this is definitely a 9. You know what I'm saying? Put in perspective, 9 as far as fast food chains. Like, you know, there's other places that do it better. Like, I still think Cluck and Gill's chicken sandwich surpasses this. This one is probably, I'd give this an 8.8 chicken sandwich wise. So there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Franchise Friday. This is the Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes chicken sandwich. This blackened chicken is so saucy. I'm gonna make the Chick-fil-A sandwich saucy too. So I'm gonna use a Chick-fil-A sauce. Do y'all do that? Always lick the top. Fat boy-ish. That's the fat boy-ish. And we're gonna make it saucy just like the Popeyes. And then we're gonna really see how this lives up. I don't even know why I'm surprised. I do that all the time. It's so good. Either way, you can't lose. I like both of these. Like, this is surprisingly good. I taste the flavors. I taste the blackness on this. That don't even sound right. I taste the blackness off of this. But you know what I mean? See you on the next one. Yo, happy holidays to everyone. Be safe. Be secure. Be under a warm roof. And thank y'all again for tuning in. Go Birds. All right. Bonus footage. Just because I'm greedy. Just because I like to make y'all hungry too. Let's see what the 8 pieces looking like. Ooh. How is that looking? How y'all feeling today, peoples? Ooh. Ooh. Don't you just love food? I love food. This is exciting to me. Just for ASMR mukbang purposes. See you on the next episode, y'all. Peace.